In this video, I'm going to teach you what to do when your Venmo payment is sent to the wrong person. So if you accidentally paid a stranger on Venmo, don't worry because although payments on Venmo generally can be cancelled once they reach your recipient's Venmo account, you can head over and make sure to actually explain it to a friend. So if you sent a payment to the wrong friend, like someone you know, we can send that person a charge request for the same amount so that they can pay you back. Include a note explaining the mistake, and once they accept the request, that money will be added to your Venmo account. However, if you send a payment to a stranger, please gather the following information and contact the support team. They will need the username of the person that you sent the payment to, the amount of the payment, date of the payment, username, phone number, and email address of the person that you meant to pay. You can reach the Venmo support team by going to their settings, click on Get Help, click on Chat with Us, and chat with an agent, and you can connect with their support to help you with this case. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.